The sawdust machine has a good pulverizing effect on fine soft materials. The size of finished product is from 1 mm to 25 mm and can be adjusted through the screen, suitable for branches, bark, straw, etc. The output is high and the material type is more in line with biomass particles, mechanism charcoal, particle board, sawdust board. We have the 3 types for choice. Please select according to the output and raw materials. Or contact us directly, we will provide you with professional solutions.